up as far as the center's vaccine distribution plan to the state is concerned. These are details of the jab distribution plan that has now been accessed by Republic. This is according to this now, states based on population ratio and also case severity, wastage ratio, and the present number that is also available with the state. So the state will be considering various factors before providing a number or numbers to vaccine distribution to particular states. This will also include, remember, wastage ratio, because the center as well as the Prime Minister, remember, from the very beginning has been reiterating the fact as to how there should be minimal amount of vaccine wastage by the states, and taking that into account as well. Now the center's vaccine distribution plan will be set in place. Along with that, the population of a particular state and case severity ratios in this particular state, and also the present numbers are available with the state as far as the vaccine doses are concerned, will be one of the very central guidelines that have been put in place by the center. All right, Abhi. All right, let me go across to my colleague Niranjan, who's also joining us over the phone line for more on this. Niranjan, please share more, and we're getting in details of center's vaccine distribution plan to states now. All right, before that, let me go across to my colleague Aishwarya Kapoor, who's also joining us over the phone line. Yes, Aishwarya, these are certainly important developments as far as center's vaccine distribution plan to the states are concerned.
Well, absolutely. The criteria is very clear. The criteria is going to be on 4 points, whether it is population ratio, whether it is we are being clearly told that because vaccine distribution is going to be a very, very mass project, and keeping in mind that it's going to impact every Indian citizen, we are also being clearly told that it's not only going to be dependent on the population ratio, but also the case ratio, and also on the issue that what is the wastage ratio in the state. That means that how many vaccines have been wasted in that particular state. So all of these criteria will be looked into, because government does not want under any circumstance that there should be any wastage of vaccine. Hence, every state has demanded a huge amount of vaccines for them. Keeping that in mind, government has set a criteria, and then an official notification for the same will be issued, which will have not only these 4 pointers, but also several other criteria pointers on the basis of which segregation and then a distribution of vaccines will take place. So at this point of time, we are being clearly told that these 4 points are there, whether it's the population ratio, whether it is the case severity ratio and the wastage ratio. Also alongside that, we are being told that there are 5-6 other parameters on the basis of which it will be decided that which state will get the what number of vaccination, because at the end of the day, the demand of these states is very high. Whether we go for MP, UP, Haryana, Punjab, it is high according to the government, and hence these parameters have been made so that the vaccine distribution could happen in a very, very democratic manner, and that every state of India can get the vaccines which they can utilize, and no wastage. Hence, wastage is a very, very important part, a very, very important parameter of distribution of vaccines, because we've seen whether it is Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, and then the other states, so on and so forth, where we've seen the wastage to the extent of 30% and above. So if there is wastage of 30% and above, that is something which cannot be accepted. And hence government saying that these parameters are going to be the basis under which or on which the government of India is going to distribute vaccines to the states. Now when after the Prime Minister's clear diktat that it's going to be the central government procuring, and there is a sub, we also need to keep in mind that after the altercation in the National Disaster Act of 2005, a separate subdivision of vaccination was made, in which a convener, Dr. V.K. Paul of Niti Aayog, is the convener. So the Home Secretary will be coordinating with him and then in touch with the Chief Secretaries of the states. So the Chief Secretaries would have to send back a number on the basis of these parameters. And then numbers will be specifically decided for these states, that what is the number which needs to be given to these states of vaccine, so that there is no wastage and maximum number of people are vaccinated in that given time.
All right. Thank you so much, Aishwarya, for getting us those important details of the jab distribution plan coming in off the center. Meanwhile, we will be seeing a mass vaccination drive that will be launched starting 21st of June onwards.